With extreme heat sticking around, energy consumption will be at its peak this week. And for people struggling to make it through the summer months, Austin Energy has programs to help you reduce your overall energy costs and even help you pay your bills. The company's most widely used program is its low-income discount program. To take part, you must already be receiving benefits from federal, state, or local assistance programs. Nearly 10,000 customers use that program, saving about $400 per year per family. Another assistance program is the Plus One Fund, which helps customers with extreme hardships such as medical illness or sudden job loss. And one program available to any customer is the Levelized Billing Program. That program is for customers who want to avoid large fluctuations in their monthly bill. Austin Energy averages a customer's previous 12 months of utility bills and can calculate an average payment from there.